Hey everyone, cassydraws here and welcome to today's video. Today's video is sponsored by Chartpak, Grumbacher, and Molotov. Thank you for supporting my work here on YouTube and on Twitch. All of their links can be found in the description box below or on my website cassydraws.com. And without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. Hey everyone, I hope you all are doing well and safe during this crazy time. Today's video is a little bit different from my normal content here on the channel. This is not going to be a full tutorial. This is just going to be a time-lapse sort of my process, the brushes that I used, and of course kind of going through this video with you and the purpose behind this painting and kind of what I learned from it and how I grew from it. This was a level up painting for me in 2021. I definitely feel as though my skills have now changed and grown as an artist, and so I just wanted to enjoy today's painting with you and kind of catch up. So I hope you all are doing well, and please let me know in the comments down below what projects you have been working on and if you found any of my videos helpful for your own journey and your current projects. Please let me know. Your feedback is so important, but I hope you guys are doing well, and I'm excited to kind of go in on this painting with you guys. So thank you for being here. So this piece was a painting created for a lovely friend and community member of ours over in the cassydraws family on Twitch, and a few months ago I held a raffle for a fully custom acrylic painting. So the grand prize winner would win a custom painting of their choice. So whatever subject matter, whether it be a wildlife animal or maybe a pet or a gift for someone else, they were able to choose whatever they preferred. And so the recipient of the grand prize chose to challenge me, and they chose a chimpanzee as the subject matter. And a chimpanzee was something that I had never painted before, and in the style I had never painted before as well. Very dramatic, kind of minimal yet very intense detail, dramatic lighting painting. And so that was the challenge to me, and I'm forever grateful. I'm very glad that it was something out of my comfort zone and something new to kind of tackle and really inspire me to level up and work on things in my artwork that I had not yet worked on improving. While we are going through this video together, I do just want to give a very special shout out to Wildlife References for Artists. If you are new here to my channel, or if you haven't heard me mention it before on my live streams or on a previous video, they are a website specifically dedicated to references for artists in the genre of wildlife and nature. And I have been using their website and their services for a few years now, and 99% of the work that you see me posting online, socials, YouTube, live streams, has been references from their website. So I will put their link down in the description box below. And just a little bit about them: they do have a subscription that you can purchase, or you can purchase each photo individually, entirely based on your needs. And of course, I encourage you to read their policies and procedures, but it essentially allows artists to have reference photos to work from and not having to worry about the copyright infringement or any sort of issues down the road with any photographers. The photographers have put their photos on this website knowing that artists are going to be using them for their paintings or drawings, and so there is a big FAQ on their website. I encourage you to take a look at it, but it has been a big sigh of relief for me in my work that I do not have to worry about infringing. I'm giving credit and kudos to the photographers. They are getting paid. I am paying for these photographs and able to use them in my work. So I definitely encourage you to take a look, give it a shot, see what you think, and let me know down in the description box below. I am not affiliated with them. They are not a sponsor of the channel. It is just me and my personal experience and hoping to help you guys find something that works well for your own art journeys as well. So check out their link in the description. But this photo was from Wildlife References for Artists. The lovely community member had gone through their site and picked out ones that they liked, and this was ultimately the winner. So an incredible photograph, and it made for a wonderful painting. As I was nearing the ending of this painting, I wasn't entirely sure what I wanted to name it, but once I saw that face and it was completed, I don't know, something just jumped out at me, and the word was soul. And so I have decided to title this piece Soul. Now, the recipient of this painting can name it whatever they prefer, but at this moment in time, it is titled Soul. And along with my improvement in my art skills and my confidence, I also felt the overwhelming need to continue to campaign for these endangered animals and to make a difference. I want to leave a legacy with my work. When my time is done here, I want my work to live on and all of the good things that we have done so far. And so I want to say thank you for those who have participated in our campaigns. We've had 2 of them in our community so far, one with WWF with the Amur Leopard campaign, as well as the Sea Shepherd Ocean campaign as well for sea turtles and marine life. And so those are still currently active. We do still have prints left. Portions of every print sale will go towards those campaigns and those foundations. But in the future, I want to do more. I want to do even more and take it even further. And I'm excited for all of the good work we are going to do together. So thank you for your support. And please, if you are interested, keep an eye out for our future campaigns, but also make sure you check out WWF's website, Sea Shepherd's website. There are so many foundations out there that need our help, and anything that you can contribute at all, whether it's your own artwork, your own campaigns, or donating to these amazing causes, will create and make a difference. And so thank you so much for your support, and I appreciate you so much from the bottom of my heart. Thank you. All right, and there you have it. There is the finished painting, and that is the ending of today's video. I so hope you enjoyed. Please make sure you leave a like and a comment down below if you did, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button to see my future content here on the channel. I am always looking for future video ideas, so if there's something you would like me to paint or go over with you, please let me know down in the comments below. It is incredibly important, and I'm so grateful for your support so far. If you'd like to catch a live stream, my live streams happen on Saturday around 2 p.m. and sometimes on Sunday around the same time, twitch.tv/cassydraws. And of course, my website has all of my past work and of course my supply list as well. I get a lot of people asking about my supplies, so cassydraws.com has all of that information for you, as well as my store with all of my prints and my merch, pins, stickers, etc. So thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next video.